Hi Shreya, happy Diwali. Happy Diwali Shweta. Happy Diwali to every one of you. Happy Diwali Nivida. So this is just an prompt live. I wanted to come since I just dropped in office, so I thought I'll just go online. Wish you all happy Diwali. Happy Diwali Moksha. Happy Diwali Ritika. So I just dropped in office and I saw some molds have come. Alphabet molds, 4-inch and 6-inch. Happy Diwali Sangeeta. So I thought I'll just show you the 4-inch and 6-inch, and I'll upload this on website now. So you can, people who are very eager to buy 4-inch and 6-inch alphabet molds because somewhere out of stock. So I thought you can purchase it today. So this is 4-inch R, S, A, M, N and H. These molds are going to be restocked today. Meenal, which clamshell mold are you asking for? The trinket that will be coming, I think, only by next week or maybe second week of November, after 10th or so maybe. 4-inch alphabet molds is 550, I guess. Wait, I'm sorry. Let me see. $550, yes, it's $550 for each. And then I'll show you the 6-inch ones. What we have just got the stock R, P, T, N, B, U, okay, M. Sorry, I'm not actually taking out of the cover. I don't want molds to be spoiled or have any imprints. M and B. Okay, these are the alphabet molds. And then we have even got the stock of this candle flower mold. The one which you have the two molds, you can use it as separate molds, or you can even add it as a both, and you can use it together. You can use it for a tea light, you can use it for pillar candle also. And then we have this bottle opener mold. Here you get a set of fittings with it. Okay, you get a cute small screwdriver and the screws along with it. So this one, and again the Christmas home mold, the small home mold is again in stock. Since I've come to office, I'll upload these on website today. Dispatches, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do today. I'll try. It's raining here in Chennai from past 1 week, and I'm not sure if we'll be able to ship today. I'll see. But big alphabet mold, the 6-inch mold you're asking, that is 750. Mustafa Creation, it's 750 each. You're welcome, Meenal. Happy Diwali, Shetty 6232. Hi, Kavya. Flashback, I'm not sure what price are you asking for, but alphabet small 4 inches 550 and 6 inches 750. Acha, where did the messages go? Okay, that's it. I know everyone is busy today still Diwali festival. Anyone wants to join live with me? I'll take one person today live with me. Anyone wants to join can send in me the request. I'll take you live with me. Okay, I see many people joining in, but I think no one is in mood of joining live with me today. So usually I get so many requests for joining live with me, but today I don't see anyone requesting for joining with me. Okay, it's no problem. Okay, I'll upload these on website now, guys. You can purchase. Yeah. Okay. Happy Diwali once again to everyone. Have a good time with your family. Okay. So yeah, that's it. You can WhatsApp me for any queries you have or order related requests or the payment details. WhatsApp me. Instagram is only for any queries, no orders on Instagram or no order related details on Instagram. Anything order related, only WhatsApp, guys. 7010323040. Be good dream. Sure, Shreya, I'll restock the Dreamcatcher mold. Yeah, I was not sure you know how many of you will be interested in Dreamcatcher mold, so I didn't stock much, but I see there is a lot of requirement for Dreamcatcher, and there was one more mold which people were looking for, which we had launched last week. So we'll be getting the flower vase, test tube flower vase. I think that was a super hit, the square shape specially. So I'll be restocking that also, but it will take 2 to 3 weeks, guys. So once it's restocked, you guys can purchase that. But the test tubes are available, the additional test tubes available for the square and rectangle vase mold. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye. Once again, happy Diwali to all of you. Have a lovely day. Spend some time with your family. Enjoy the sweets. Thank you. Bye.